This video will go over our transfer credit process. So for transfer credit, the first step, of course, is to apply through OUAC. Then you need to submit your transcripts, receive an offer, and then accept it. So at the point of accepting your offer is when the transfer credit process really begins. You will receive a transfer credit assessment for your transcripts in your applicant portal, which is at ontariotechu.ca/mycampus. When you apply, you get instructions on how to access your applicant portal. Then, if we request any syllabi from you, then you will need to submit them to us. If there's courses already that have been evaluated and are in our system, they'll automatically be loaded as credit onto your account. For any syllabi that you have submitted, the faculty will review these. We'll send it over to them. And then when they send them back to us with a decision, then your transfer credit assessment gets updated in your applicant portal with that decision either approved or denied. Then what you need to do is review your transfer credit assessment with your academic advisor, and they can help you plan out your program map based on the credits you have received. So this is an example of your transfer credit assessment that you would see in your applicant portal. So here you can see that for the kinesiology, anatomy, and physiology courses, the students says pending evaluation. So that means that it's with the faculty right now. And then here you can see they've received some credits for Film and Society, for Intro to Psych, another Intro to Psych. And then for statistical methods, you can see it says pending syllabus. So that means that we need a syllabus from you and you're going to have to submit that to us. This course, Intro to Research Methods, it shows no Ontario Tech equivalent. So we can only grant credits if they are equivalent to a course that's in your program map for the program you've applied to. And then here you can see they received a credit for communications. So what are the requirements in order to transfer a course? So if you're coming from another university, we do require a minimum 60% in a course in order to be eligible. Nursing and medical laboratory science courses require a minimum 70%. Overall, we're looking for 80% overlap in content, and that's up to the professor to decide. For college courses, if you've been accepted into a bridge or an advanced entry program, then you actually receive a block of transfer credit in recognition of your diploma studies. If you're just looking to transfer courses to one of the degree programs, then we transfer college courses at a 2-to-1 ratio. Paired courses need to share similar content in order to be eligible for transfer credit. Each course needs a minimum 70% grade in order to be eligible. There's various high school curriculum that we accept some transfer credit for. And the minimum grades are shown there: Advanced Placement, International Baccalaureate or IB, General Certificate of Education, the CAPE, which is the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examinations. Just note that for engineering, they are not eligible for transfer credit for any of the high school curriculum. So how do you submit the syllabus? So you've looked at your assessment and it says pending syllabus, so you know you need to submit it. Well, if you go to ontariotechu.ca/transfer and then select the syllabus submission tab, you'll be able to submit your syllabi. There it outlines all of the requirements for the syllabus, which I've added in here as well. So your syllabus do need to be detailed in order for the professors to make the assessment. That needs to include the course code and name and instructor, the descriptions and objectives, their grading, the policies, the supplemental readings, textbooks, whether it's just lecture, does it include lab, tutorial, what are the hours? That specifically is for engineering students. And overall, it needs to include what you studied week by week in order to see if it matches any of our courses. If you have any questions, feel free to email transfercredit@ontariotechu.ca.